Determine the shear force and bending moment M at section of the loaded beam 200 mm to the right of A. So the right of at this point, we have to determine shear force and bending moment at this point. So first of all, we have to draw a free body diagram of this loaded beam, which is loaded 6 kN per meter of UDL. Okay, this is AY, this is AX, and this is BY. This is a UDL of 6 kN per meter. This is AY, AX, and BY. The distance between A to this UDL 300 mm, and this is also 300 mm, means 0.3 meter. So summation of moments at point A equal to 0. The force which rotates the beam anticlockwise will be taken as positive. So there is a reaction force which is By, and the lever arm between the A at which we find movement and to B. So this distance is 0.3 meter. Okay, this is 600 millimeter and it is 0.3 meter. Okay, so 0.3 meter multiply by 6 into 300 negative. So this will rotate clockwise, that's why it is negative. So 6 multiplied by 3, this is total 3, this is not, this is 0.3 meter multiplied by the lever arm at from the center of this UDL. So the lever arm will be 0.3 divided by 2 meter equal to 0. So By will equal to 6 multiply 0.3 and 0.3 divided by 2 whole divided by this 0.6. So By will equal to 0.45 kilonewton. So this By is 0.45 kilonewton. Now we will take summation of all vertical forces acting at this beam equal to 0. The force directed up will be taken as positive. So Ay is one reaction force and By other reaction force. These both are positive and negative. This UDL will be finding by length multiplied by this weight per feet, so weight per meter. So this is 0.6 multiply 0.3 equal to 0. So if I plug the value of By, it will become negative 0.45 multiplied by 0. If you multiply this both, 1.8. So this will become Ay will become 1.35 kilonewton. Now if you find shear force and bending moment at 200 mm from the right of the support A, so this will be shear and this will be a moment. We will find this both. So the distance between A to this required point, so this will be 200 mm and the load is 6 kilonewton per meter. This is Ay. So summation of all vertical forces acting at this equal to 0. So 6 multiplied by 0.2, this is a vertical force, and Ay, this is also vertical force. This is negative and this is positive. Okay, so Ay is positive because it's up, and this load is negative because it's down, and this V is also down, that's why it will be positive. It will be negative. It will be this V will be negative. So V is equal to 6 multiply 0.2 and negative Ay. V is equal to negative 1.2 plus 1.35. So if I plug the value of Ay, it is a 1.35. So V will become equal to 0.15. So if I finding moment, so summation of moment at this point, let's say this is A dash. Summation of moment at point A dash equal to 0. The force which rotate this into anticlockwise will be taken as positive. Ay multiplied by 0.2, this lever arm, and then 6 multiplied by 0.2 lever arm divided by 2, 0.2 divided by 2, because this is applied at the center. So MA dash will be 1.35 multiplied 0.2 negative this. If you calculate this much, 6 multiplied 0.2 divided by 2, so it will become 0.12. So if you calculate this in your calculator, M A dash at this point, moment will become 0.15 kilonewton. So V is 0.15 and this will be only kilonewton, and moment at point A dash will be 0.15 kilonewton meter. So we have find the required data.